What is going on, hustlers? Kevin Fairbanks here, and if you're a regular follower, then you may have noticed that we recently updated the name of our channel from Our Journey to Freedom to Grow with Kevin. In this episode, I want to address why the name change and give you a brief update on our journey. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Sit back and enjoy. Let us know how we're doing by giving us a thumbs up or a thumbs down. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe. And don't forget, hit that bell notification icon so you can be one of the first to know when we put out new content. Let's get started. When we first started this channel, it was to document our journey to freedom. That's freedom to do whatever we wanted, whenever we wanted, from wherever we wanted. Basically, building a financial freedom that allowed us to enjoy life. As we set off on that journey, there were many moving pieces going on. However, on this channel, we were really only showing you a small window of those moving pieces and parts. We primarily discussed the reselling aspect of our business model, and not the additional income streams. Occasionally, I would discuss that while building our future, I was working full-time, or that we had another business we owned which provided digital marketing services, web development, SEO, etc. for clients. But we never really discussed in more detail or talked about the other avenues we were pursuing to generate revenue, such as affiliate marketing, training courses, coaching and mentoring options, real estate investment, and other tactics which allowed for us to see passive income. As you know, 2020 was a killer year all around for most people. For us, it was a killer in a good sense, as well as killer in a bad sense. A lot changed in 2020. But the one thing that remained consistent was our goal of getting to freedom. During this time, we watched a lot of what we had built up come crashing down in a very short period of time. At the same time, my full-time employer and I parted ways. This was a blessing, but also a curse. Now, I had planned on leaving anyways, and in 2019 I did attempt to leave, only to get bribed to stay. At the time in 2020, when this separation finally did happen, we also saw a huge loss in income from several of our streams, causing altogether almost $500,000 of income to be lost over the course of 10 days. After the initial panic and reality set in, okay, let's be honest, along with a few days of maybe weeks of self-pity, it was time to look at our plan and rebuild. I put my head down, I pushed forward, and along the way occasionally putting out a video here and there, again, only giving one small piece of the operation. There was so much going on that we were not sharing. Let's fast forward to mid-2021, and I was beginning to document and share other pieces of that puzzle. We had several people asking me to teach them some of the things we were doing, so I started setting up a couple separate channels to segment out each of these income streams we were working on. But as I thought about it more, it didn't make sense to run 3, 4, or even 5 different YouTube channels when ultimately the bigger picture was all the same, building our financial freedom. With that, I decided we would rebrand Our Journey to Freedom to Grow with Kevin. And our goal was not to just document our progress, but to openly share with you what we were doing, the wins and losses, allowing you to take part in the journey with us along the way, building your own financial freedom. So, come grow with me.